Hello friends, in previous video I showed you how to create a 3D model of truncated icosahedron in SolidWorks. If you have not watched this video, you can follow the link in the video description. Now in this part I am going to convert this 3D model into a football. So first of all, let's delete these features. We will not be needing them. Top plane, sketch, select point, and create a point on origin 0 0. Okay, I will hide these axes. Click on lofted surface, right click here, selection manager. Selection manager is very good tool to select a group of chains, or chains of edges. Now I will select the edges of this pentagon, or you can just click on this pentagon and convert these edges and use that selection. I prefer this way. Now select the point you created in previous feature. Click OK. Okay, so first body, show the sketch. Let me hide this one for a little. Oh sorry, I created surface loft. Go to surface features, lofted base, right click, selection manager, select these 5 edges, then select the point. Okay, click OK. Let me see. Okay, it's okay, it's perfect. Let's show the sketch. It is visible. Okay, now again use lofted base feature, selection manager, select these 6 edges. Okay, select the point and uncheck merge result here. This is very important. If you didn't uncheck it, it will merge these two, which will later create problem for us. So okay, now we will repeat these steps for this pentagon. Okay, select this point, uncheck merge result. Okay, now for this hexagon, lofted base, selection manager, uncheck merge result. Okay, now let's hide this. Okay, this looks perfect. Now create a sketch on right plane, create a circle. Let's say it doesn't matter at this point, let's say 15 mm. And this circle much larger than this. Use trim entities, features, revolved cut. Okay, Okay, so our football has started taking shape. Click on fillet tool. Let's enter 0.5. Select this. Little less. Okay. Let's repeat the same step for these bodies. I would like to create a fillet on these corners too. SolidWorks will not let us do for more than 2 edges at one time. To repeat the last used command, I just press enter. Okay, let's show the axis we have hidden. Now again linear pattern, circular pattern. Select this axis, bodies 5 times. Click OK. Okay, this looks pretty good. Now let's combine these first. This will make the if we didn't combine these at this point, the memory required for SolidWorks will be large. But if you want to paint these pentagons black and these hexagons white as separate bodies, then you should leave them uncombined. I will leave them uncombined for now. Let's create a plane on top plane, a sketch on top plane, center line. Okay, hide these axes, go to features, circular pattern, this line 2 times, and select all bodies. Okay, we'll go to solid bodies, select these bodies manually. Maybe it was a little wrong. Again circular pattern. About this line, bodies, select these bodies 2 times, click OK. And here we have 3D model of football in SolidWorks using geometrical approach. Now as I told you earlier, if you want to color these, right click this body, click on appearance and select body. Now select black and select every pentagon here. Okay, right click this body, select white color, select every hexagon. Now as you can see, we have created a 3D model of football in SolidWorks using geometrical approach and finally colored it also. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends, colleagues or workmates, and please subscribe and like this video. I will be back with some other video tutorial on something very good. So till then, bye and have a nice day.